Final Technology Portfolio Assignment by Hannah Marr. Hi, my name is Hannah Marr. I am a junior in college and my major is Communication Disorders. Today I will be presenting my Final Technology Portfolio Assignment for my Technology Teaching and Learning class. I will be explaining what we have done all year in class, how to use many of the technology tools we have used, and will be showing my projects from throughout the semester. Here are the ISTE standards for educators. Educators use these standards to help their students learn in the best way possible. The ISTE standards consist of learner, leader, citizen, collaborator, designer, facilitator, and analysis. Now I will go into more detail about these standards. Learner means that educators will always try to continue learning more about technology, which will improve their quality of teaching, and they will set goals for themselves to try and learn more. Leader is all about empowering students to become independent and seek out their own opportunities. Citizen helps students learn to participate and become socially involved. Collaborator means that educators will discuss ideas and resources with both other professionals and students. Designer helps educators make activities using technology that help students learn independently. This works best if they personalize the activity for the students. Facilitator means having students use technology to challenge themselves and use their own creativity skills during a lesson or project. Analysis means using technology for instructions and give multiple ways students can do an assignment using technology. Digital citizenship means using technology responsibly at any time. This includes staying safe online, protecting their personal and private information, and understanding copyright. Copyright law means not being able to use other people's work, ideas, or words without asking for permission first or giving them credit. When I do my projects, I always give credit to other people if I use their words, ideas, or pictures. For example, if I were to quote someone for my project, I would give them credit in my works cited as well as in in-text citation. Also, if I got a picture from online, I would give credit to the original creator under the picture. I will show actual examples of this in my projects I will be showing you later on. In this class, we also talked about safety versus privacy. We talked about what the government should be allowed to see and what schools should be allowed to see. We had a debate in class discussing these topics. In my debate, I talked about how I believe the government and schools should have access to certain things, but not everything. For example, I think when it comes to someone doing illegal activities, the government should have access to our personal information to help solve the crime, like tracking cell phones and bank account information. But I don't think they should have access unless it comes down to criminal activity. I do not think there is any reason for schools to see our private information unless some kind of threat is involved or cyberbullying is happening. There's a fine line when it comes to safety versus privacy, though, and everyone has different views. Digital media is any media that is using technology. My relationship with digital media is mostly social media, but I also use Google and YouTube. In this class, we did a digital simile project using Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark is used to create visual stories online. We had to create a simile and make a video that visually describes the simile. My simile was, my media life is like the sun because it allows me to see myself and others in a new light. Here is my project. As you can see, I used many different visuals to describe my simile. Other ways you can use Adobe Spark are for presentations in school or even one day at your job. Padlet Wall is a way to share projects with your whole class, and you are also able to comment on other classmates' posts. We use Padlet Wall for our simile projects. You're able to see everyone in your class. You can see all their projects, and then you can also comment on everyone's projects. This is also useful because you can see everyone's posts at one time. An infographic is a visual platform used to describe any topic. For an infographic, you want to use many pictures and charts and less text. For my infographic project, I used Piktochart. I did my project on the 6 benefits of blended learning in education. As you can see, there are many visuals to describe what it is I'm talking about. At the very bottom of my infographic, I put my references of where I found all my information. Like I said earlier, you need to do this because of copyright law. Other current trends in technology would be Zoom, lockdown browsers for exams, and Google Classroom. Screencast is a recording of your computer screen using audio and visual, commonly used for presentations. There are 2 ways we talked about in class using Screencast. They are Screencastify and Screencast-O-Matic. There are differences between the two. Screencastify has a free and an unlimited version. The free version allows you to record for up to 5 minutes. The unlimited version is $49 per month. Screencastify allows you to use a mouse spotlight, drawing pen tool, click highlighting, and you can publish to YouTube. Screencast-O-Matic has a basic package that is free, deluxe package that is $1.65 per month, and the premier package is $4 per month. Screencast-O-Matic has many features like screenshot, trim recordings, quick shares, linkable notes, and publish to YouTube. For the project I will be showing you, I use Screencastify. For those of you who are upcoming freshmen, I wanted to give you a brief overview of how D2L works. Right now, I'm on my VIP portal. I got there by going to vip.calu.edu. From here, you would go to the Launchpad Dropbox and click on D2L. Other ways to use screencast tools is if you need to demonstrate how to do something in school or in your future job. This tool can be especially useful now with COVID because you may not be able to explain or demonstrate something in person. A formative assessment tool is a way for teachers to check and make sure students are understanding the information taught to them. Here are some examples of formative assessment tools: Edpuzzle, Flipgrid, Peer Deck, and Nearpod. I used Nearpod for my project. I did my project on speech-language pathologist. This video had a lot of information on this job, and I was able to use this video through Nearpod itself. During the video, I asked questions to engage and grasp the understanding of the students.
Like a rhythm problem or a lot of stammering or stuttering, things like that. They will also work with those types of patients. And they also maintain and update patient records. Now,
as you can see, a question will appear and you'll be able to answer the question. A good way to use these tools are at the beginning of class. You can show the students a video of what you will be teaching and have them answer the question. This will give them an outline of what will be taught that day. There are many different types of quiz tools. For example, Kahoot, Socrative, Quizlet, and Quizalize. I used Quizalize for my project, and my topic was United States facts. As you can see, I have 5 questions listed. Quizalize lets you add in pictures pertaining to your topic and questions, which is what I did. If you go on and start the quiz, it'll look like this. The first question is, how many states are there? You're going to answer the question, and it's a timed quiz. Other ways to use these quiz tools is for lesson plans or a fun activity for the class. Thank you for watching my final technology portfolio assignment. I hope this was beneficial to you.